Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamshad Khan. If you want to learn English, I will teach you easy English without grammar by daily use sentences. So, let's start. क्या आप खाना पकाते हो? Do you cook food? Do you cook food? क्या आपने खाना पकाया? Did you cook food? Did you cook food? क्या आप खाना पका सकते हो? Can you cook food? Can you cook food? क्या आप खाना पकाओगे? Will you cook food? Will you cook food? आप क्या पकाओगे? What will you cook? What will you cook? आप खाना क्यों पकाओगे? Why do you cook food? Why do you cook food? आप खाना कब पकाओगे? When do you cook food? When do you cook food? क्या आप उससे मिलते हो? Do you meet him? Do you meet him? क्या आप उससे मिले? Did you meet him? Did you meet him? क्या आप उससे मिलोगे? Will you meet him? Will you meet him? क्या आप उससे मिल सकते हो? Can you meet him? Can you meet him? आप उससे क्यों मिलते हो? Why do you meet him? Why do you meet him? आप उससे कब मिलते हो? When do you meet him? When do you meet him? आप उससे कहाँ मिलते हो? Where do you meet him? Where do you meet him? आप उससे कैसे मिलते हो? How do you meet him? How do you meet him? क्या आप यहाँ आते हो? Do you come here? Do you come here? क्या आप यहाँ आए? Did you come here? Did you come here? क्या आप यहाँ आ सकते हो? Can you come here? Can you come here? क्या आप यहाँ आओगे? Will you come here? Will you come here? क्या आप यहाँ आना चाहते हो? Do you want to come here? Do you want to come here? आप यहाँ क्यों आना चाहते हो? Why do you come here? Why do you come here? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? क्या आपने इंग्लिश बोली? Did you speak English? Did you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to speak English? Do you want to speak English? आप अंग्रेज़ी क्यों सीखते हो? Why do you learn English? Why do you learn English? आप अंग्रेज़ी कहाँ सीखते हो? Where do you learn English? Where do you learn English? आप अंग्रेज़ी कब सीखते हो? When do you learn English? When do you learn English? क्या आप वहाँ जाते हो? Do you go there? Do you go there? क्या आप वहाँ गए? Did you go there? Did you go there? क्या आप वहाँ जाओगे? Will you go there? Will you go there? क्या आप वहाँ जा सकते हो? Can you go there? Can you go there? आप वहाँ क्यों जाते हो? Why do you go there? Why do you go there? क्या आप वहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there? कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? क्या आप मुझे बताते हो? Do you tell me? Do you tell me? क्या आपने मुझे बताया? Did you tell me? Did you tell me? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? क्या आप मुझे बताओगे? Will you tell me? Will you tell me? आप मुझे कब बताते हो? When do you tell me? When do you tell me? क्या आपने मुझे कुछ बताया? Did you tell me something? Did you tell me something? आप मुझे क्या बताना चाहते हो? What do you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me? आप मुझे क्यों बताना चाहते हो? Why do you want to tell me? Why do you want to tell me?